Ladies chica, I do not steal men. I do not run after them. They come to me. That's what actress Kapuso actress had to say about her allegedly involvement in kapamilya actor. Sabi niya, hindi po ako third party. King ano man po yung napag-usapan nilang dalawa, wala naman po ako doon. From a woman to another woman, I understand that pain. Pero my point of view, wala po akong alam, and I'm confident to say na hindi ako kabit kagaya ng sinasabi ng lahat.